On this day in 1947, Pakistan became an independent country of the hard work and sacrifice of the great leaders and many great people. We should, our country, respect our national flag and work mostly for Pakistan progress. As students, we can serve our country by studying in following the law and helping others. Let us promise to Pakistan peaceful, strong and successful. May Allah bless Pakistan.